Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another Tesla modification video. This is my 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance. It comes with beautiful 21-inch high-performance wheels and tires. They look great, they perform great. Only problem is they reduce the range and they don't work at all in the snow. Now normally this would not be a problem because I live in Southern California where it doesn't snow. However, I do take ski trips once in a while to Mammoth Mountain, and it does snow there, and also it's quite a long distance. And the last time I went to Mammoth, which was last month, it did snow. Luckily, we got out before the big blizzard hit. So, yay. I plan to go there again next month, and I'm kind of apprehensive of using these summer-only tires and big wheels to do the trip. So what I've done is I came up with a solution, and that is right here. Let me show this to you. Whoa, 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 oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Yes, baby. This is the 19-inch wheels and tires that come standard on the Tesla long-range Model Y. So I bought a set of these to replace those for road trips. But however, as you can see, this wheel is silver, and which is kind of plain. Don't really care for it. I like the black. So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna turn this wheel from silver to black. Let's do it. This is what the actual stock wheel looked like. It comes with these aero caps that you can take off, and if you take it off, it looks like a wheel. I prefer the look of the wheel, but if I leave the aero caps on, it gives a little better range because it's supposed to smooth the air going over the tire and makes it more aero. But yeah, I like the wheels the way it is. And Tesla does sell a kit for those who want to run without the hubcaps. They have a kit here where you just replace the center cap. They have a kit where you just replace the center cap. There you go. And also give you matching caps for the lug nuts as well, so you can run it like that. Otherwise, without it, you're gonna see a hole here and black lug nuts, which doesn't look very good. There are several methods I can use to change the color of the wheels. I can paint it, I can powder coat it, but those methods usually will require a professional, and that's beyond my ability, and also more expensive. Like powder, I called around to see how much it costs to powder coat these wheels, and yeah, it's more than I want to pay. So I'm gonna use a much less expensive method and much easier method, one that you can DIY and do it from your house, and that is Plasti dip. That's right, we're just gonna Plasti dip this wheel. And the cool thing about Plasti dip is that if I don't like it, doesn't work, I can peel it off. So it's temporary. Spray it on, looks good, don't like it, peel it off. So I got these cans of Plasti dip. They're about 10 bucks, any hardware store or Amazon, automotive store, Home Depot, they all sell it. Yeah, they're like 10 bucks a can. And they come in multiple color. I got black, flat black. And yeah, this is a flat black, but I wanted to put a bit of a shine on it, a little bit of a sheen on it. So I also got this Plastidic Glossifier. And so after blacking out the wheel with this, I can make it a little more glossy with this. So, well, I'll see. Like, I'll black it out first, see how it looks. And if it looks good, then I'll leave it. But if I want a little more gloss, I'll just spray some of this on. So let's begin. So this is my little work area that I made. I'm outside, and you probably want to be doing this outside because, yeah, the Plasti dip fumes, you don't want to be inhaling that. So as you can see, I protected my I guess my driveway in plastic. So catch any overspray, protect my plants. So basically protect the area. All right, so next step is to clean these wheels. Make sure they're absolutely clean. And since these are brand new wheels, I don't have to do much cleaning, so I'm probably gonna give it a little wipe down using isopropyl alcohol. So I have here some IPA pep spray from Avalon King. It's basically isopropyl alcohol and mixture of water. Basically just wipe the wheels down, and make sure you remove any contaminant, get the surface super clean. And I guess having the wheels off the car helps a lot too. I know a lot of people, when they're blacking out the wheel, they leave the wheels in the car, but if you can take it off the car, it makes it a lot simpler. So yeah, this will be a lot easier to clean and wipe down. So you don't want any dirt or specks. The cleaner the surface, the better the wheel will look. So it's kind of like cooking. It's all about the preparation, and the better the prep, the better the final result. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mask off the barrel. Now, if you want, I guess I could plasti dip the barrel black as well, but I decided not to for a couple of reasons. First of all, I don't have enough plasti dip. Okay, so this will take more cans of plasti dip, so I don't want to waste that, and I don't think it adds that much to the look to have a black barrel inside, because you won't be able, nobody won't see inside anyway with the bricks in the way and stuff. But another more important reason is that the weights, you know, to balance the wheel, these weights are designed to stick onto metal. And if I were to plasti dip this whole barrel, I would also be plasti dipping the weights. And if I were to change tires in the future, like tires, well, I change tires, they'll have to remove the weights, and then they'll peel off the plasti dip, and you'll see plasti dip, and then what will left over from the weights. And when they rebalance the wheels again, they'll be using these weights. And the thing is, these weights, they're designed to stick on the metal. I don't think they're designed to stick on the plasti dip. So for that reason, I'm not gonna plasti dip the barrel, because I want to be able to rebalance the wheel when I change tires. All right, so we're just gonna mask it off using paper and tape. Yep. Okay, there you go. One wheel masked off. 3 more to go. Okay, all the wheels have been masked off, including the valve. I suppose I could also mask the tire as well, but it's already black rubber, and I'll just peel it afterward. There's gonna be a clear break, so it shouldn't be any problem. All right, so what we're gonna do is basically 1 can of plasti dip per wheel, and that should do all 4 wheels. So 4 cans of plasti dip. First, the first coat you want to put on is going to be a very, very light coat, and then we'll let it dry for 15-20 minutes, and then we'll apply another coat, and then we'll just keep applying coats until the can is used up. Very light coats. Okay, first coat done for all 4 wheels. Just very, very light. And after this, we'll start laying on a little more thicker. Oh, and here's a little tip. Soak the plasti dip in warm or hot water. You don't want to spray the can when it's cold. You might get clumping. By keeping the can warm, it'll spray much, much more evenly. Okay, so this is what it looks like after the second coat. It's starting to look good. Yeah, a nice and black. So this is, I think, third coat now. So I think I'll do like probably a total of 5 coats, and then I'll just let it dry. It's the next day. I basically used up the entire can on each wheel. It's good for 5 coats. So I was able to get 5 coats out of every single can, and I let it dry overnight, and the finished result looks pretty good. So yeah, the wheel is nice and black, and I think it looks good enough that I'm not gonna bother with a glossifier. So just leave it like that. I'm just gonna put these on next month for my road trip to Mammoth Mountain. Yeah. So without the glossifier, only took 4 cans of Plasti dip. They cost about $10 each. So this is an easy $40 mod. So if you don't like the looks of your silver model Y, want to change the color, this is a cheap way to do it. $40, or you could pay someone hundreds and hundreds of dollars to have it powder coated or repainted. There you go. John Chef and johnchef.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.